Okay, good evening, all of you. Right. Last week we have discussed about the peripheral devices and also about the specifications related to peripheral devices. When we buy a new machine, a new computer, or when we update or upgrade our machine, we need to know about the specifications, especially the memory capacity, storage capacity, processor speed. These things we need to know because we are dealing with the computer system and we are updating, and maybe we are buying new computers, so we need to know about their specifications, especially these hardware configurations. That is must. That's why we have learned, and how to see these things practically we have learned and we have experienced that. And today's topic, and also we have discussed about various users in the computer last day. And in today's topic, we are going to discuss about the different type of computers that you see in your day-to-day life. Normally, I hope that most of you are familiar with the desktop computers and also the notebooks and laptop computers, and also tabs and mobile phones, right? Tabs and smartphones. So desktop computers, we usually use these computers in our home environment, office environment. That is a usual computer that we use for day-to-day life, used in day-to-day life. The next one is, the next computer type is all-in-one computer. There is also a desktop computer, but there's a specialty. So everything is integrated with the monitor. So what is the advantage of having all-in-one other than the desktop computer? Yes. Is there any advantage of having all-in-one instead of a desktop? No. No advantages. Okay, according to you, no advantages. It saves space, right? Here you can see the desktop computer. It takes some more space. But if you keep all-in-one computer, it will save the space. But performance is less than the desktop computer, because desktop computer performance is little high, but all-in-one computer, because it is integrated and space is low, there is a small performance gap in all-in-one computer, but that is not a significant thing. Mostly in shops and storefronts, shops and front offices, this all-in-one computer is used. It is smart thing to have, like nice and saving space. That is why we are using smart, like this all-in-one computers. I hope you all can rename yourself, right? Rename to your name, because still I cannot see your some of your names are not visible. So because if you are unknown to me, then I have to remove you from the class. So whose name is Focus? Can you name your one? Rename your one properly. This is to you. Can you rename your name? It's there as Focus. Hello. Can you rename your name? There is one called Focus. Just rename yourself. Okay. Until you rename yourself, I need to put it into your waiting room, right? Because I don't know your real name. So why you cannot comply with a very simple thing? Can you at least unmute yourself and tell me, is there any problem? This is delay in the class. Hello, can you unmute yourself and tell? Okay, no response means cannot help. Okay. Right. Desktop computers, all-in-one computers. All-in-one computers, the advantage it is saving the space. All-in-one computer is just saving the space. And then laptop computers. Laptop computers, easy to move. It's mobile computer. You can move from one location to another location. That is the advantage of using a laptop computer. It's a mobile computer where you can move the computer from one place to another place easily. Right? It's a mobile computer which can be moved from one place to another place. That is the advantage of a laptop computer. Notebook computer. Notebook computer is lighter than, like, it's less heavy. It's lighter than laptop computer, so it's easily movable, and also it has some durable. It's like its battery is durable because its size is small. You can keep this notebook computer for a long time. That is the advantage of having a notebook computer. But it is bit slower than the laptop computer. The same performance laptop computer is more performing than the notebook, because notebook is to make it even less heavier. So when you are reducing the size, the performance is also somewhat reduced. The reason is because you need to save the battery. Screen size is reduced, and also performance is slightly reduced. Tablet computer is highly movable. There's another computer called hybrid tablet. In this hybrid tablet, you have the keyboard part, which is removable, right? Keyboard part is removable, and also you can fix it whenever you want. You can fix it whenever you want. That is the hybrid computer. Okay, that is the hybrid computer. So that is also a tab, but it has the keyboard which is removable. Then what? Okay, then the mobile phone, smartphone. It is even more small and portable. You can put it in the pocket. And the lifetime of the battery is like 1 day, 2 day. Right? The life battery is basically 1 day or 2 day. So that is a highly durable battery. But the performance is less, and it can be used to take mobile phone calls also. Not only that one, even the tablet computer can be used for calling purposes. Then workstation and server computers. So what's the difference between workstations and servers? Yes, what is the difference between the workstations and servers? What is the difference between workstations and servers? You have to talk. What is the difference between the workstations and servers? You need to talk. Yes. Workstation computers and server computers. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's the difference, Tisula? Workstation and server. Workstation computers and server computers. What is the main difference? Yes?
So what's a server computer?
Sorry?
What's a server computer?
Server computer is basically used to serve other people. Right? Is a computer can be used by many parties. It is a computer which can be used by many parties. Okay. So let's see what is a server computer by implementing a server, right? Let's implement a server and see what is a server computer. So to do that, we have to implement a server. After implementing only, we can see what is the server. It's easy to understand after implementing. Actually, the workstation and the server difference is workstation can be used for gaming and all. Right? Workstation can be used for gaming purposes and all. But server computers is mainly used to serve other computers. And workstation can also be used as a server computer. Workstation එකත් server එකක් විදිහට use කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Workstation එකත් server එකක් විදිහට use කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඊට අමතරව server එක කොහොමද server එක? මේ workstation එක ඔය games ගහන්න ඒ වගේ high end වලට use කරන්න පුළුවන්. Video editing, playing games. Like it's like it's in between the personal computer and server computer. Okay, other computers, is there any problem? Any idea? Any update need to be done to other computers? Right? Anything need to be explained? Can you tell me the difference between laptop and notebook again? Laptop, notebook. What's the difference? Yes. What is the difference between laptop and notebook?
It's smaller. Notebook is smaller
Yes, notebook is a smaller laptop. Okay, then.
and less performance.
Yeah, the performance is bit less. It's a smaller laptop. So which is highly movable? Is it laptop or notebook? Less weight and highly movable. Notebook. Notebook has less weight and it's highly movable. It can be moved easily than a laptop. Laptop is still laptop has a weight, bit heavy. Right? Laptop has a weight and it's bit heavy, but like the other one, the notebook is basically it's okay. Notebook notebook you can easily move. Then tablet computers and smartphones, what's the difference? Tablet computer and smartphones. Yes, tablet computers was smartphones. What is the difference?
Size difference.
Like a higher performance.
Yeah, you can say some, but both are like equal performance, not that much difference. But the screen of the tab is bit larger, right? Like 10 inches, 8 inches. Screen is bit larger, and also the battery time is battery time is in this smartphone has a durable battery. It retains more. It can keep the smartphone on for more time. But tablet, it's not that much of. Smartphone can be kept for 1 or 2 days. Tablet, it's not having that much of powerful battery. Another thing is like tablet is for like tablet has more viewing space that has a screen. And sometimes we can install Windows also to the tab, and some are hybrid tabs you can use as notebooks. Okay. Let's see. Now we are going to implement a server environment. Right? We are going to implement a server environment. To do that, we have to download and install small software. Because server, you can implement like, okay, so can you write down this part very quickly? Right, this highlighted part, please write down quickly. Continue. Okay, there is a small part to write down after this. Right? Okay, please write under this. Just wait. Okay. Please write down under this. There are special software programs. There are special software programs that need to be installed into servers. Called server software. Server software. We can install some of these server software programs to our personal computers and laptops. Personal computers and to our personal computers and laptops. After that, we can assign a server role to that computer. Since it is not a powerful computer, it can only be used in very small environments like home environment, shops, and small computer labs. Small computer labs. Please write down that part. Davesha, did you find the person?
No, sir.
No, not replying, right?
Yeah.
That's what I said, like the person is inactive, but just join, and is inactive. Maybe one of our students just join and keep the recording mode and sometimes away from the computer. Because when I ask to unmute, it's not unmuting. When I ask to rename, not responding to the commands. Okay, I'm removing back again because no point. So the one with focus, this is the last announcement for you. We will remove you from the class if you're not renaming yourself. Or talk and tell me the problem. Okay, removed. Finished writing?
No, sir, on the last.
Right, let's implement the server now. Right, let's implement the server now. Right, I will give you a chance. Who can share the screen can share it now. Who wish to share the screen can share. Okay, first go to the Firefox or Google Chrome, anything that your preferred browser, and search for XAMPP server. XAMPP, XAMPP. XAMPP. The meaning of XAMPP is X means any operating system. X means any OS because it supports any environment. The second one is A for Apache. Apache is a web server. Then M is for MySQL. That is a database server. Database server. Then there are two P's. P is for Perl and PHP. These are actually server-side languages. PHP and Perl. These are server-side languages. Right? PHP and Perl are server-side languages. Okay, please download XAMPP and install into your computer. That is the step number 1. PHP and Perl are server-side languages. You can download and install into your computer. You can download the first one.
Sir, is it available for mobile?
XAMPP mobile, I'm not sure. You can just give a try. You have to download and install. It will take some time. Let it download and install. Okay, until he finishes his download, can anybody else share the screen who have already downloaded? Who has already downloaded? Can you share the screen? Anyone already downloaded? No one. Still downloading. Rehansa, have you downloaded?
No, sir.
Bihanga? Bihanga, have you downloaded? Tisal,
sir.
have you downloaded? Tisal?
Still downloading, sir.
Yumet?
Still downloading, sir.
Anjana? Anjana, what about you? Anjana, if you're not responding, again a problem. Respond to the questions that I'm asking. Tania? Tania? Cannot hear you.
I'm on
Tania.
mobile, sir.
Or is in mobile. Yanoki?
Still downloading, sir.
Imaya?
Still downloading, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm finished. My download is finished.
Okay, so you can share. If you have finished downloading, you can share. Then start installing. Click on that and start installing. Yes. Maybe it will ask for the permission. Okay, you can press OK for that. Maybe it will ask administrative permission, give it, right? Don't worry, give it. Yes, next, 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 and finish. Okay, once installed, you will get this control panel. In this control panel, what you need to do is you need to start the Apache and MySQL services. Apache is also enough, but just start both services, doesn't matter, right? You can press the start buttons of Apache and MySQL services. So hopefully it will start with the green color. You can allow the access. So if everything okay, it will open the green color. Sometimes it is red. If it is red, there is an issue. We can fix it, but please let me know if it is a red color. Now your servers are running. Actually, what we have done now, we have installed a server software, and that server software is running in your computer now. Now, right, what you can do, how you can test. So at least you need to have one client. So in worst case, you can use your own computer as the client, because service provider and service consumer, right? When service is provided, then there should be a person to consume that service. So Maud, do you have a service consumer? Can you join with your mobile phone if you have that? Do you have your mobile phone or not?
Yes, I can join.
Okay, if you can join, it's better because I can show. Right, you but don't join with audio. Don't use join with audio option. Just join, because join with audio will introduce echo.
Okay, sir.
Right, just join. And meanwhile, you can do something. You can go to the command prompt in Windows. Go to the command prompt by typing command prompt in the search bar. Command prompt in the search bar, and then you can go navigate to that. COMMA command prompt. Okay, you can open that, and there you can type ipconfig without any spaces. ipconfig, IPCONFIG, without any spaces. That will give the details of your computer's IP address. That will give the details of your computer's IP address. Okay. Right, press enter, press enter. After ipconfig, you have to press enter to get the details. Enter key to get details. Right, okay, you can see your IP address is 192.168.8.183. 8.183, that is your IP address. 192.168.8.183. Okay, you need to remember that IP address, right? No need to type that, so just remember that. Yes, that is there, just remember. Have you joined using your mobile phone?
No, sir, it's difficult. My mobile phone, I can't join in there.
So what it says?
I clicked on the link, but it's not launching the Zoom meeting.
It's not launching. Okay. Okay, then let's check using your computer, but this is not a like then you cannot feel that. But anyway, let's try using your own computer. Again, go to Google Chrome and open a tab. There you can type this IP address, but with
The class join.
okay, you can type this with http colon // no, not in the search, you have to type in the address bar. Address bar. http colon / that IP address 192.168.8. What is that IP? I cannot remember the exact value. You can check with your 8.183. Right, that one. 183. So others, you need to try your one, right? Because this is for more, but for you, it might be a different IP address. Okay. Press enter and you will see that something called this. Have you typed HTTPS? I need HTTP only, right? Don't type HTTPS because that is a secure version, because this is not going to work with the secure version. This should be HTTP only, HTTP only. colon // 192.168.8.183. Same time you can type that in your mobile phone also, right? Same time, go to your mobile phone browser's address, web browser's address bar, type it in the mobile phone too. It's okay, continue to that site, go like continue to site. Okay, now you go to your mobile phone, type the same. Go to your mobile phone, type the same. Right, what has happened in the mobile phone when you type that? Yes,
It's loading.
it's loading.
So it's telling this site can't be reached. This site can't be reached.
So is your mobile phone joined to the same network as your computer?
No, sir.
Then you have to join in the same computer, maybe same router.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you cannot connect. Yes, that is true. Join with the same router. Connect to the same router. Or otherwise, you have to turn on the mobile network, like Wi-Fi. Sorry, what is this hotspot in your mobile phone and connect your mobile phone to the laptop. Anyway, both should be there in the same network, right? Otherwise, it won't work.
Okay, sir. It's loading. So finish.
Okay. Is it working in your mobile phone?
Yes, sir.
All right. It should be the same site, right?
Yes, sir.
See the same site in your mobile phone. Okay. Right. Let's host a website and see. Now let's host a website and see. In order to do that, in order to host a website, you need to do small thing. Right? In order to host a website, do small thing. Go to the Explorer. File Explorer. Go to the File Explorer, the yellow color one. Okay, then go to the C drive and SAM folder. C drive, SAM folder. Okay. C drive, SAM folder. Done.
Yes, sir.
There is a subfolder called htdocs. Now please go to that. Others also, if you need any assistance, any help, please tell me, right? Because when you share it only, I can give you the like real-time guidance. Otherwise, I can still guide you, but the thing is, it will take, it will still guide you, but it will take some time because I have to finish this. Go to the htdocs folder, htdocs. Okay. htdocs. htdocs. I can see that. See SAM htdocs. Oh. Within Udima, right? That one. Open it, right? Okay, there is a file called index.php. That is the file which is loaded in this page, right? We are going to rename that file. Right click and rename that file to index.php.bac. Index.php.bac. Back. Index dot back backup for BAC. Okay.
Is this correct?
Right. Okay. Good. Now, right click in empty space, right click in an empty space, create a new file, new text file. Create a new text file. Okay, text document, yeah. Okay. Right. Rename that file as index.html. Rename that file as index.html. Okay. Index.html. Right? Yes. Index.html. Now, right click and open that file. Right click and open that file with Notepad. Oh, don't double click. Right click and open that file in Notepad. Okay. Now type a basic HTML file, which type basic HTML code there. You know the basic HTML code. If you don't know, we have learned this in grade 8. But in case if you cannot remember, let me remind you. HTML opening, then HTML close, then the head opening tag, and the head closing tag. Inside the head tag, you have title opening and title closing. Inside the title tag, you can type hello. After the head tag, there is a body tag. After the body tag, the body closing tag. Inside that, you can type any HTML, my web page. Okay, something like this. Please type in your web page quickly. So if you need assistance, please tell me. This is not to teach web development. This is not to teach web development. This is to give you an idea about what is a server, what server can do. Okay, finish.
Finish, sir.
Right, save it. Now go to your mobile phone and refresh the page. Go to your mobile phone, refresh the page. Don't type any other address, refresh the page.
Sir, it's the same.
Yes,
It's the same.
same, cannot be. Okay, go to, okay, save it. Go to your computer. Your computer's the IP address, type one. Can you go to your computer? No, no, no. Go to the web browser. Go to the web browser. Refresh it. The reason is this. So remove this dashboard part, right? Remove this dashboard part and press enter. Right, I understood. Remove the dashboard part, press enter. Press enter. Okay, can you see my web page? Similar to that, when you go to your mobile phone and refresh it, you will get the same page. Okay, similar to that, when you go to your mobile phone, refresh the page, you will get the same page, but you have to remove that dashboard part, right? Okay. Right, when you want to share, okay, let me tell you what has happened here. Actually, you really need to do this. If you can do this, it's very good, because you will get an idea, right? When you do this, you will get an idea, proper idea how this happened. Otherwise, just getting this idea is enough. Okay, what has happened? 192.168.8.183 is acting as a server. It is connected to Moad's router. What is the router IP, Moad? Can you tell me the router IP? Go to the IP config. No, you can go to the IP config one in the, can go to IP config in, sorry. So please go to IP config part in your command prompt. You can see that. Go to the command prompt. There you can see that. The route IP is the last one, 8.1. Can you see default gateway is your route IP? Okay, what is the route IP then? That one, 192.168. Yes, 168.8.1 is your route IP. Okay, then so Muad, you can go to the info and check your mobile phone IP address also. But for the moment, like I will show you like this. This is Muad's mobile phone. It also has an IP address. Let's think that is not needed anyway, but it also has an IP address. Let's say it's 192.168. Just assume, right? 8.184.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you give me the recorder?
Sorry.
Record.
Recording nekada Bihanga.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so recording is anyway available to you. Haven't you create the LMS account?
No, sir.
LMS එක හදා ගන්න ඕන පුතේ. නෑනේ දැන් මෙතන මේ කවුද? ගවේෂා මිස් නෑනේ. You have to talk to Miss Gavesha, right? Gavesha, she will create you if you have not created one. මම කියන්නම් බිහඟට එකක් හදන්න කියලා. ඔයත් message එකක් දාන group එකේ LMS එක ඕන කියලා. Right? LMS එකේ ඔක්කොම ටික වැටෙනවා videos ටික. හරිද? එතකොට මගෙන් ආයේ වෙන වෙනම ඉල්ලන්න ඕන නෑ. When you registered with the class, you will get all the videos, right?
Thank you, sir.
හරි මම ගවේෂ මිස්ටර් දාන්නම් දැන් message එකක් හදලා දෙන්න කියලා හදලා නැත්නම් Okay, I have sent her a message. She will also attend to that. You can also talk to her. That will be created, right? Hari. Just get an idea what has happened here. මොකද්ද මෙතන උනේ? This is the computer of. This is Muad's computer. He has installed Apache server there. Actually, how he has installed? He has installed a SAMP. SAMP has installed the Apache server. Apache server is a web server. So it can give a website. Then we have hosted this website, special website here. That is this website. We have hosted this here. Actually, his mobile phone is also connected to this router. When he typed this address in his address bar like this, the request from the mobile phone, he can type the same address. Request from the mobile phone will go from here to here. And router will send it to the computer, and this page will be delivered, and this page will be displayed to the displayed in the mobile phone. Actually, if you want to share something, right? If you want to share something, let's say you have a movie, a film, something in your computer. Now you can link it to this page. Phone movie එකක් හරි මොනවා හරි තියෙන එකක් ඔයාලට link කරන්න පුළුවන් ඔය page එකට. When you link that, you can simply download it using your mobile phone. That will not cost data. Data හැම කැපෙන්නේ නැහැ ඒකට. ඇයි ඒ? Film එක තියෙනවා වගේ computer එකේ. Film is there in your computer නේද? Computer එකෙන් download වෙන්නේ ඔයාගේ router එක හරහා ඔයාගේම mobile phone එකට. Internet එකට යෑමක් නැහැ. මේ පැත්තේ internet තියෙන router එකෙන් එළියේ internet එක තියෙන. Internet එකට යන්නේ නැතුව ඔයාගේ laptop එකෙන් ඔයාගේ mobile phone එකට download වෙන ඒවට data කැපෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයාගේ mobile phone එකෙන් ඔයාගේ laptop එකට යන ඒවට data කැපෙන්නේ නැහැ. Okay, this is a network. අපි network පාඩමේදී මේක තව ගොඩක් ඉගෙන ගන්න. We will learn this properly. Actually, today's exercise is just to give you an idea. පොඩි idea එකක් දෙන්න විතරයි අද exercise එක අපි කරේ. If anyone need help, I can help you. But anyway, this video is available for you. Next day, try to share your screen also. When you share the screen, you can do it. In the හැම වෙලේම screen එකක් share කරන්න බලන්න උත්සාහ කරන්න. එතකොට ඔයාට ඒක කරගන්න පුළුවන්. කරගන්න බැරි වෙන්නේ නැති අද සමහරවිට හැබැයි කරගන්න බැරි වුණාට කමන්නේ. Because this lesson we will do in networking lesson. මේ networking lesson එකේ පොඩි කෑල්ලක්. ඔයාලා මගෙන් අහුවනේ server එක කිව්වේ මොකක්ද කියලා. Some of you have asked what is server? Server is a special one which can deliver the service. Server කියලා කියන්නේ service එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක පෙන්වන්න තමයි මම මේක කරලා පෙන්නුවේ. I just wanted to show you what is server. That is it, right? Nothing else. So I think you get an idea. You got an idea about server. Server is a service providing machine. How we get websites like Google, Facebook through the servers. අපිට කොහොමද Google, Facebook වගේ website හම්බ වෙන්නේ server එක හරහා. Understood? They are using server software to deliver the service. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if not, it's okay. So let's do this. Let's do more exercises. Maybe next week also we can try this. Right? If you have time, next week sometimes you have the Christmas vacation, not sure. So if not, we can just try this. Anyway, I'll upload the video and you can access that using your LMS. Right? Let's stop for today then. Good night. See you all next week.
Good night, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Okay, bye.
Good night.
Okay,
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Right, sir. Thank you.